If you've got a nice tidy van and you're looking somewhere to store your brushes that you're not using on your poles, then I've got a solution for you. So what we've got is from Rootex Designs, and it's a brush holder for gardener brush heads. If you're someone like me, I absolutely love all X-Line kit. That's what I've got in my van. So I've got X-Line poles, X-Line brushes. However, I love a swivel gooseneck, and X-Line don't do them. So what I use on my kit is basically my X-Line poles and the brushes. In between, what I've got is a swivel gooseneck from Gardener, and then as a result I've changed the brush head socket from an X-Line one to one from Gardener's, and I like using the quick lock system because it enables me to change and swap out my brushes nice and quickly. So to go from a DuPont to a flock brush, for example, it's really quick using this system. So this works perfect with the Rootex Designs pole holder for gardener brushes, because I've got a gardener brush socket on it, even though I haven't got a gardener brush. Go on the Rootex Designs website and look at the brush holder for gardener brushes. You'll see they do two different types. They do a single one and a double one, and I've got a double one in my van at the moment. Prices are, for the single one, it's £7.95p, and if you get the double one, it's £13.95p. Now obviously you're going to have to probably add on postage and packaging as well, but when it comes through the post, it will come with the relevant screws you need to then attach it to your plywood inside your brush holder. Is almost like a hexagonal shape, and this is basically so you can have the brush on the pole holder in lots of different directions just to suit your needs. And you'll notice as well there's a silver nipple on it, just like you get on your gardener gooseneck when you're using the quick lock system. So again, it makes it nice and easy to take your brushes on and off the brush holder. Again, this all helps with the speed of changing your brushes on your pole, nice and easy, and keeping your van nice and tidy as well, especially if you've got like OCD. If you're someone who likes all your clamps in one straight line, you're going to love this pole holder, as long as you've got like gardener brushes or gardener brush head sockets. Previously in my van, I used different methods of hanging up my brushes. So I was using like the hooks with a screw, and you can just screw them straight into the plyboard. And then I basically just hung the brushes up by the hoses that's all on the brush attachments. And it did the job, but this Rootex Designs brush holder is definitely a lot neater, and it's a lot quicker as well at swapping my brushes around. So I definitely rate it. I currently only have one of these in my van, but I'm going to get one for Matthew, and if I need them I might even get more as well. I think they're really good, and if you're going to get a collection of brushes, and they're definitely worth it. However, like we said, you need either gardener brushes, or you can use another make of brush, but as long as you've got the gardener brush socket on it for like the quick lock system, it'll absolutely work perfect. Changing my brush heads around, what I do is I remove this red locking clip, which you can buy from the gardener's website, and then on the T-connector push fitting, I press it down with two thumbs, and then I just keep it held down by using one of my thumbs, and then using the other hand I can pull out and remove the hose from the gooseneck. And then with the quick lock system on gardeners, there's a little silver nipple here, and then all you've got to do is press that in and you'll take off your brush. And just so I don't use it, I put this red locking clip back in on the T connector, and then basically I go over onto the pole brush holder, and then all I'm going to do is press in that nipple and then remove the brush off the brush holder, and then this is how I put it back on my pole. Pretty easy. So here's my flock brush. I'm just going to put it back on the swivel gooseneck, press in that little steel nipple. That's it, locked in position now, and then I just get the hose, push it in the T connector, make sure it's fully home, and that's it, job done. Brush is ready to go. I have to use the red locking clip, but I find it's better with, on the push fit T connector you get loads of grip and it can build up in there, and it's just going to prevent you from pressing it down, and it makes taking the hose off difficult. So using the red locking clip, and by keeping it in there, it just prevents the grip getting in there, so it makes your job a lot easier. So I really rate the Rootex Designs brush holder. It's absolutely brilliant, but you do need, like I've already mentioned, to either have gardener brushes, or you can use any other type of brush as long as it's got a gardener brush head socket on there, especially the quick lock one. It'll work perfect And it's just a really good way of keeping your van nice and neat and tidy. And it's also a completely good system on changing your brushes around quickly as well. So I absolutely rate it and I love it. So that's the end of the video. Just like and subscribe, it all helps me out. YouTube will stick a video up here for you to watch next. See you on the next one.